In this video, we are going to see how we can activate our automatic bidding for specific budget groups rather than the whole account. Whenever you turn on auto bidding from here, you're activating it for the whole account. However, clicking here will deactivate auto bidding for the whole account. So in order to apply it for specific budget group, the process is actually quite simple. You want to have this as enabled, and right here, click on edit on the edit bid setting table, and you start by removing any campaign that is not enabled to make things easier, and you want to decide what budget group you're working on. So for example, let's select BIM here as a budget group. And right here, I can turn off these campaigns in this budget group to not have Shirofune optimize budget, bids, and bid modifiers. And I can repeat this process for other budget groups that I do not want to test Shirofune on. The reason why some companies do that is because they might want to phase in Shirofune throughout the whole account, doing it one budget group at a time or a few budget groups at a time. But as you can see, the process is very simple, and once you decided what not to use or use auto bidding on, you just click on Save Changes and the process will be complete.